Hi, I wanted to share an update we've made to Workcenter recently. This update revolves around capabilities and allowing partners to share more details around what it is that their shop can do. To visit the new updated page, you can hit the side panel over here, hit your name, and then go to the capabilities and machine URL at the bottom. Alternatively, you can see the URL at the top over here, copy that and paste that at the end of your Workcenter URL as well. So this is the new and updated capabilities management page. The second change to highlight is machines. Previously, machines was on its own separate page, but we've combined it over here so that you have one place to really share all the details about your shop. Clicking on machines, you can see a list of all the existing machines that your shop has. Once you view details, you can find out some more details about this machine and actually edit it directly in line here. If you want to update the make, the model, and the year, and then hit this update machine button over here. Alternatively, if you no longer have this machine, you can also delete this machine by clicking this delete icon. Perfect, that machine has been updated. Additionally, Xometry has added a large number of new machines that you can select from. So if I click this add machine button and select this drop down, I can see the entire list of all the machines that Xometry now actually accepts details from. And quickly, if I know my machine name, I can type for it over here and select it. Put in make, model, year, quantity, axes, max length, and max diameter. Let me do that really quick. And I can even answer if this vertical lathe has a bar feeder or not. In my case, it does. And I have 4 of these. And I can add this machine into my profile. Now, this is new information that Xometry has, and it helps us make sure that we know everything that we possibly can about your shop to get you the right offers and the right jobs. That's it in terms of machines. We're very excited to have this new release out to everyone. Thank you. Xometry has expanded the list of details that you can actually provide us in terms of capabilities. Previously, we had approved capabilities and available capabilities. Now we just have one page where you can see a list of all the capabilities that you've applied for or are approved for. And for a new capability, you can hit this add capability button to apply for a new one. I'll go through that flow to show you what else has changed within this page. So apart from being able to scroll through and find the exact capability that my shop can do, I can also scroll to the top and actually search for a specific capability. For example, let's say I know I want to do tube cutting, and I can hit apply. This is a brand new big kind of paradigm shift for Xometry here, where not only can you apply for tube cutting, but now there's certain sub-processes that you can also apply for. For example, in this case, you can mention that you can cut non-round shapes, or whether your shop has tube laser threading or not. Once you confirm that, this is an extra bit of granular information that Xometry now understands about your shop. It can help better in the future find you the right job offer. So I'll submit this application. The application is received and it's pending approval. I can add more capabilities, or actually for the existing capabilities that are there, I can add in this more granular information. For example, for CNC machining, if I hit this side button over here, it opens up to show all the sub-processes that my shop has along with CNC, and I can add more or delete some by pressing this X button. And when I click to add more, I can apply for a few more things that I know my shop can do. And then confirm that my shop has that ability, and then hit add. Awesome. That's one of the key changes that we've made to this page, being able to add this more granular information around what it is that your shop can do in terms of capabilities. Certifications, inspections, and other stayed fairly similar, and they can be added by clicking this Add Capability button over here.